of Miss International Queen Philippines 2024.
Pwede sandal lang po. Carry lang po. Hindi, yan. Okay. Yan, perfect.
May uupulit kasi dito, matatabunan ka rin.
Sabi ako.
Queen Antea Bulila, Quezon Province. Queen Rex Pigana, Marabuca, Pampanga. Queen Ara Guache, Alae Batanga.
Queen Mary Sinalaka, Banwalang-Manay, Province of Davao Oriental. Queen Maria Napoleon, Cebu. Queen Asia Mariana,
Oh my goodness. So yan, at syempre, if you guys did not notice, yung palakpakan ninyo, malaking bagay yan para sa ating mga kandidata. So the more you yell, the more you cheer for them, the more nabubuhatin natin ang kanilang kumpiyansa para mas ibigan mo nila.
Tama! Support your queens!
Kaya naman ako, napakagandang araw to celebrate such a beautiful, beautiful celebration, ladies and gentlemen. Sa ganda ng araw, napakaganda rin ang aking co-host. Tama ba yan?
Yes! Thank you!
presented by CEO of Kakao, the beautiful Jana Evertone. Congratulations, Manay Tao Oriental, Nina Marie Sigala.
To be presented by Hans Marquez, the CFO of Aquila Crystal Palace. And the Casa Moriones Award goes to Sofia Acamel. For that second special award.
Wow. Now we move on, ladies and gentlemen, to the RZQ Choice Award. To be presented by Dr. Ricardo Quiñones, CEO of RZQ Clinic, and Shane Leanne, Miss International Queen Philippines 2022, second runner-up. Manila Julian Concepcion.
Of Smile Professionals. And the Moscoso Queen Award goes to Sofia.
Ladies and gentlemen, up next is the Miss Alfie 2024 Award. To be presented by Miss International Queen Philippines 2022 second runner-up, Shane Leanne. Our Miss Alfie 2024 is Sofia Acamel.
the Bragais
Choice Award to be presented by Dr. Librado Toledo Jr. Ara Toledo Men. Toledo Men Choice Award is, congratulations, Coronadal City, Sheila Magmali. Sight to see. KKD 33 beautiful ladies in their long gowns are here tonight. Talaga nga naman, pumpukan ang labanan.
Pero hindi pa po natatapos ang ating special awards because the next one is quite special because this is the Best in Long Gown Award. To be presented by Michelle Bermudez, Miss International Queen Philippines 2023, first runner-up.
Sino sa tingin niyo ang mananalo ng Best in Evening Gown?
Mula ba sa Luzon?
O di kaya sa Visayas?
O hindi naman kaya sa Mindanao? Alright, the Best in Long Gown Award goes to Sophia Congratulations to all of our awardees. Wow.
Grabe. Early on pa lang in the competition, and we are already seeing how many of them are being supported and being looked up on by our sponsors. Yeah, once again, congrats to the winners of the special awards, and thank you very much to the sponsors as well as to our presenters. Maraming salamat.
Mga kababayan, umiinit pa lang po ang kompetisyon. Because after the Best in Long Gown or Evening Gown competition, i-announce na po natin ang top 10 na Miss International Queens Philippines 2024.
Grabe, kaya naman mga kaibigan, from 33, we're going to be trimming that number down. We want to know, who do you think belongs to the top 10?
Sa mga nasa team bahay, mga nanonood po sa ating Facebook Live, sino sa tingin nyo ang karapat-dapat na makapasok sa top 10 ng MIQPH 2024? I-comment nyo po yan dito sa ating live.
Alam mo, it really is a tough job for our judges to determine and filter these amazing queens. Lahat naman talaga sila ay deserving pumasok. However, 10 lang ang talagang uusad dito sa ating competition, and we'll move forward to the next round.
10 ang uusad sa next round, pero isa lamang po ang mag-uwi ng corona bilang Miss International Queen Philippines 2024. But before we proceed to the announcement, we shall hear a very important message from these queens. I think they need no introduction.
Absolutely.
Diba? Truly the queens of our community. Let's welcome on stage the National Director of Miss International Queen Philippines, Queen Michelle Montecarlo. With the Managing Director, kababayan, i-announce na natin ang top 10 ng MIQPH 2024. Pero may konting twist. We will make it more interesting as Sean Kyle announces the candidate who gets into the top 10. I will have a short, casual interview with each one of them.
That's right, kaya naman, eto na mga kaibigan! Simulan na natin with our first queen. May I remind everyone that this announcement will be done randomly. It is done in no particular order. Our first queen to make it to the next round of the competition is... Congratulations, Queen Sofia Arcangel Laguna!
Congratulations, Sofia! How are you? Anong feeling na ikaw ang humakot ng awards, sa special awards?
I really feel overwhelmed, and I'd like to thank the sponsors for giving me awards, and I really appreciate it. I'm actually a combat queen from last year, from Queen Lars Pacheco's batch, and I ended up as one of the semi-finalists, and I'm just really happy that I'm back with the Miss International Queen Philippines organization.
Again, congratulations to Miss Sofia Arcangel! Good luck to your journey!
Congratulations, Sofia Arcangel! Moving on to our next semi-finalist, ladies and gentlemen. She is Queen Julian Concepcion!
The city of Manila. What do you think is the best thing about the city of Manila?
Well, the best thing in Manila is the people itself, because in Manila there's a lot of beautiful people, and I'm standing here in front of you.
Wow! Very confident! Thank you very much, Julian!
Congratulations, Manila! Now we move on to our third semi-finalist. Congratulations! The third spot belongs to Quezon City, Casey Papula!
Casey, congratulations!
Thank you so much.
You're one of the crowd favorites. What do you want to tell your fans?
Thank you. You know what, guys? Your cheers, your shout, it actually helped me be motivated and perform this night. It means a lot to me.
Chicorano City, Sheila Bombay!
Congratulations, Miss Coronadal City!
Thank you so much, guys.
I haven't been to Coronadal City. So kung pupunta ako sa city nyo, saan mo ako unang dadalhin?
Of course, I would bring you to my very beautiful place. It has been known in Coronadal City, which is the farm at Carpenterville. There, you can experience a lot in one place, especially the culture and the hospitality of the Coronadaleños, especially, of course, the South Cotabateños, the land of the dream weavers. Indeed, you will feel it's now.
Wow!
Visit my home.
Thank you! You're so cute! Okay.
Congratulations, Coronadal City. What a treat to also get to know a little bit more about our candidates. We're going to get to know a little bit more about this next candidate because you are also part of the semifinals. Congratulations, Manay Davao Oriental Nina Maris Lata.
Hello, congratulations,
backstage to compliment my body. Thank you so much.
I complimented your body because, ladies and gentlemen, she only has a 21-inch waistline.
Yeah.
How did you achieve that?
Of course, healthy lifestyle and body positivity, then you can achieve this beautiful body.
Sana all. Thank you very much, Nia.
Here we go, spot number 6. The halfway mark. And this one belongs to you. Cebu Province, Maria Navarez.
Congratulations, Maria!
Thank you so much, Miss Karen. It's good to be back here.
Oo nga, di ba? Anong masasabi mo sa mga kababayan mo sa Cebu na sumusuporta sa'yo?
Thank you so much for my family and friends out there, my family, my mother out there who's watching with me. I feel so blessed to see you here supporting me.
Wow, congratulations! Thank you very much, Miss Cebu!
Here we go, give it up this time for San Jose del Monte Bulacan.
Pang ilang pageant mo na to, and why do you keep on joining?
To be honest, I've done a lot of pageants, but this is the most important thing that I want to join because I want to voice out my story in advocacy, which is mag-aral ka habang kaya pa. Because I'm 18 years old, I'm supposed to be in college, but I stopped because I didn't see the value of education. However, in my daily life of survival, I see the importance of education. That's why now, I am currently enrolled at Wesleyan College of the Philippines. And by representing MIQPH, I want to inspire someone, especially the youngest generation, for them to have inspiration to pursue education and value education. Thank you.
Well, good luck to your studies, Miss City of San Jose del Monte.
Congratulations. Bambaga, let's go.
Congratulations, Fred, you're part of the top 10. What do you think is your biggest asset?
Well, I've been joining pageants for several years now, and my biggest asset is the stories I've heard from my fellow trans women. And that's the reason why I'm here, because I'm voicing their stories and I'm ready to inspire other trans youth right now.
That's all, thank you, Red. Grabe, ang gagaling nila lahat sumagot! Nakakaloka! Okay. Next, Shankan.
Here we go, Grabe. What a delight to know that we truly have such a beautiful set of queens. Ang uhusay, ang uhusay. Here we go, 2 spots left, everybody. The 9th spot belongs to Dalawa. Number 9 belongs to Kevin Miller. Number 13, Iligan City, Trisha Sanchez Desarrollo.
Well, congratulations, Miss Iligan City!
Thank you very much.
Ano sa tingin mo ang pinakamaipagmamalaki ng isang tao or isang Pilipino, kababayan natin na galing Iligan City?
I believe that would be our unity in our city. I came from Iligan City where we are celebrating the tribe people, the Muslims, Christians, and Higaunos.
That's why, if given a chance to become the next Miss International Queen, I'm going to show to the rest of the world that if it's possible in our city that we are celebrating the camaraderie and equality, I believe it is also possible internationally.
Wow, thank you very much. Tanisha from Iligan City.
JK3, isa na lang!
Isa na lang. Mga kababayan, we only have one spot left for the top 10 of Miss International Queen Philippines 2024.
Sino kaya ang gusto ng ating crowd na nandito tonight ang pumasok at umusad sa next round of the competition? We want to hear what you guys have to say. Sino ang karapat-dapat pumasok sa top 10? That last spot belongs to candidate number 25.
It's very rare that we have representatives from Europe. Why are you representing it? Can you give us like an explanation about that?
I'm actually living in Europe for almost 3 years, and I actually represent Europe because I was there. But no matter where I go, even I represent Europe, it's always in my heart. I am Filipina.
Queen candidates, what a deserving lineup. However, to all of our other queens, you all did amazingly in this competition. Mga kaibigan, our other queens, big round of applause, please. Do not be disheartened, as this, I am sure, is just the beginning of your wonderful journey. Iligan City, Christian Vargas. Last one naman, Julian Concepcion. From Italy, Queen Yuli Garcia. From Pampanga, Red Spiegelman. That's Maria Gomez from Cebu. Ladies and gentlemen, Alil Peter Magingay! Your top 10 Miss International Queen Philippines. Grabe, isa sa 10 kandidatang ito ang uusad at nakukoronahan natin tonight, and it's a beautiful sight to see how much the swimwear competition has evolved. Hindi lang siya basta-basta ang ganda ng katawan. It truly is the whole embodiment of what a Miss International Queen Philippines is.
Siyempre, nandiyan yung confidence, yung power, the representation. Diba? Yan yung mga bit-bit nila habang rumarampa in their swimwear. And again, our swimwear competition is presented to us by Bragais Shoes by Jojo Bragais, Earrings by Katao, at ang kanila pong mga swimwear ay designed by Mantra of Gia Barnachea.
Beautiful, beautiful. Ladies and gentlemen, I want you all to take a good look, take it all in, because right about now, we are about to determine who among these queens outshine them all as they flaunt their sultry swimwears. We're going to find out sino ang ating best in swimwear. And to present this award, let's call in Queen. We're going to find out who that winner is in just a bit. KKD, ang sarap lang din tignan na yung mga kandidata natin todo kung lumaban. They are giving it their all, and that is of course with the help of the support of everybody here and their whole team na sumusuporta sa kanila all throughout this entire competition.
Sana po nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan at sana nakapag dinner na kayo.
Naku, tama.
Dinner time na.
Alam mo, KKD, no, nakakatawa rin yung hiyawan nila, hindi lang sa bastang kandidata na sinusuportahan nila. Kanina yung mga sumusuporta sa, let's say, kay Manila, humihiyaw na rin. Para kay Coronadal, talagang halo-halo yung support na nakikita natin. This just shows us that this indeed is a very impactful thing for the entire community. Kanya-kanyang suporta ang bit-bit din natin.
And I think the judges are really having a hard time determining our Miss or Best in Swimwear at saka ang top 3. Malalaman nila po maya-maya lamang sa pagbabalik ng Miss International Queen Philippines.
In this body, I always knew that I was different. I had to fight so hard just until I found these hands.
Ang ating top 3! Only 3 who will move forward to the next round of the competition and will move on to the question and answer round.
Pero bago po natin malaman ang ating top 3 candidates, eto na, i-award na natin ang Best in Swimwear.
Our Best in Swimwear will be presented by Queen Katrusha Zania Kapsi, our Miss International Queen 2023, first runner-up.
Our Best in Swimsuit Award goes to Sofia Arcangel.
Congratulations, Sofia Arcangel, Best in Swimwear. Ladies and gentlemen, we are gearing towards the next round of the competition. Take a good look at all of our 10 semi-finalists.
Congratulations again, Sofia Arcangel from Laguna. Sino sa tingin nyo ang karapat-dapat na pumasok sa top 3 ng MIQPH 2024?
Ang ninyo, sino? Alam niyo, totoo talaga, no? The louder you cheer, the more confidence you give your candidates. Kaya naman, once again, panigan ang mga pambato!
Pero sabi nga nila, dito sa MIQPH, expect the unexpected. Maraming twists and turns dahil this year, MIQPH will have its boldest move to date. And to give credit to the effort of all of our queens, we're only supposed the 3rd and the 4th runner-ups ngayon na, today. This is the moment. So, aside from the top 3 queens, 2 more queens will be hailed as the 3rd and 4th runner-up.
Grabe. What a twist that is indeed, KKD. So, lima ang pupuranahan natin tonight. And we're gonna find out who these queens are. Starting it off with our 3rd or our 4th runner-up, to be awarded by Queen Kevin Balot, our Miss International Queen 2012.
I-announce na namin ang fourth runner-up. Our Miss International Queen Philippines 2024 fourth runner-up is Mikay Bautista from San Jose del Monte, Bulacan.
Our third runner-up is, this award is to be presented by Miss International Queen 2022, Queen Viusha and Romana.
All right, ladies. Miss International Queen Philippines 2024 third runner-up is
Coronadal City, Sheila Rombale.
Mikay and Sheila. Girls, sa mga natira, ibig sabihin, one of you will be our Miss International Queen Philippines 2024. And now we are set to announce the top 3 candidates.
Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Sino ang karapat-dapat umusad and be part of the top 3? Our top 3 queens in no particular order are: you are moving on to the next round of the competition. Congratulations.
Top 3. Congratulations! Julian Concepcion!
Finalists who are now moving on to the next round. However, mga kaibigan, a little theater by isa pa is Chino!
One spot left, ladies and gentlemen. Isa na lang. We have one from Mindanao, one from NCR. Saan kaya manggagaling ang huling kandidata sa top 3?
Ibabalik pa natin ang corona sa Luzon!
Sa Visayas!
O di kaya sa Mindanao! candidates, our semi-finalists, you have made us, as well as your supporters and your places proud. Maraming salamat sa parte na ibinigay ninyo dito sa competition na ito. Thank you from the bottom of our hearts.
Thank you very much, ladies. Thank you very much. Thank you so much.
Sobrang tough naman talaga ng decision na ginawa ng ating mga jurado. So ladies and gentlemen, here they are, your top 3 queens, who are now one step closer to becoming the new Miss International Queen Philippines 2024.
Sir Portia.
That's right. Now, we would just like to remind everybody that all the scores of our candidates are going to revert back to 0. At this point, KKD, equal playing field na silang lahat. Anybody has a shot at this crown.
Paano nga ba mangyayari itong ating question and answer portion? The candidates will have to answer only one question to be picked from our envelopes. Asa ng ating mga envelopes? Iba't ibang mga katanungan po yan at bubunot sila sa mga katanungan ito at yun po ang itatanong sa kanila. They will have 45 seconds to respond until they hear this sound.
Parang gano'n. Basta parang gano'n yung sound. Maririnig natin mamaya kung lumagpas na ng 45 seconds. Alright, here we go. We're going to be starting it off by calling in our first finalist. She is Nina Marie Simanatan from Manay, Davao Oriental.
Join us here, Nina.
Nina, what a run this has been for you. I'm sure talagang proud sa iyo ang mga taga-Mindanao. We have seen you grow as well. This entire journey has been a huge impact. Not only for you, I'm sure, but for the entire province. Baka gusto mo lang din pasalamatan yung mga sumusuporta sa iyo ngayon.
Thank you so much. I'm sorry I got emotional because it is my dream to be Miss International Queen. Well, thank you so much, supporters, especially my handlers, my fans, and my 2 brothers, and especially God for guiding me. And I want to give some message to everyone that this is not only my dream. It is my best friend's dream who passed away last month. She is Rona Lopez. And if she's there, looking to me right now, we are this. I want to be more than this. I want to be Miss International Queen Philippines or Miss International Queen. Thank you.
Well, best of luck to you, Nina, and to the rest of Mindanao. Pick one envelope and I'm going to read the question for you. Let's move here at the center stage. I will read the question twice. Okay, Nina, this is the question. If your 5-year-old self is in front of you now, what would you tell her about your current evolution? I will repeat. If your 5-year-old self is in front of you now, what would you tell her about your current evolution?
I would tell her 5 years from now is I am the embodiment of a new meaning of life. And my purpose here is to find the meaning and to fulfill it. This platform is one of my steps toward reaching my goal for this destiny, which I will decide. We deserve love, admired, and inspired. Thank you so much.
Maraming salamat, Queen Nina Marie Simanatan.
My message to those who supported me, especially right now, I just wanted to say that I will be forever grateful to you. I was once a girl who always doubted myself, and now I am here because of you. Just know that I will forever grateful to all of you. Thank you.
Alright. Such a confident and grateful queen.
Here we go, Julian. I have 2 envelopes in my hand. I would like you to choose one, please. Julian, you have 45 seconds to answer. I will be asking you your question twice. Question goes like this. What for you is the relevance of the very fast-growing AI technology to our MIQ PH crown? What for you is the relevance of the very fast-growing AI technology to our MIQ PH crown?
For me, the relevance of AI in the Miss International Queen Philippines is that our life made easier. Just like me, as an inspiring queen who always doubt myself with the help of other people that I know online, I think I will never be here, especially for them. Thank you.
Julian, thank you.
Thank you very much, Julian. Best of luck to you. All right. 2 contestants down, 1 to go for this dreaded portion of the competition. Last but definitely not the least, Miss Sofia Arcangel from Laguna.
Sophia, congratulations for making it this far. You have won a lot of the awards starting off from the beginning of the pageant. I just want to know, does having all of these awards so early on in the pageant give you the confidence boost? Mas nakakagana ba ito? Or mas nakaka-nervyos knowing na malakas or malaki ang expectations sa'yo?
Of course, it made me more confident because last year I just made it on the semi-finalists and now I can't believe I am here in the top 3. And I just want to thank every one of you, especially those who are believing in me, that even though I failed in my first try, I am here and you are there still supporting me.
Diba? Importante ang suporta sa lahat ng mga bagay na ginagawa natin. Alright. Sophia, I only have 1 envelope with me. And this will be your question. Again, you will have 45 seconds to answer this question and I will read the final question twice. This is your question. If you win, how would you use your MIQ PH crown to unite our trans community locally and globally? Again, if you win, how would you use your MIQ PH crown to unite our trans community locally and globally?
If I win tonight, I will use my crown through my voice as a part of the trans community. And as a comeback queen who has fully reached her ultimate evolution, I'd like to champion causes like this and work with our organization and with the government. Make sure that our voice are being heard and our visibility are being seen. And through this, may it prove to everybody that we are a worthy representation of the fine human beings that we are. Trans women who has the heart and purpose to be of service, not only here in the Philippines, but to the whole world. Thank you.
Such a confident queen. Thank you very much, Miss Sofia Arcangel.
Kinakabahan ako, nakinikilig, nanininervyos, hindi ko na alam. My goodness, you guys just heard 3 of our finalists say their piece and answer the final questions. We just heard from Manay, Davao Oriental, Nina Maris Timelacan. We also heard from Manila's very own Julian Concepcion. Finally, we heard also from Laguna's Sofia Arcangel. And just a quick recap, our top 3 are still waiting for that much-awaited moment for their names to be called and hailed as Miss International Queen Philippines 2024. Our top three from Manay, Davao Oriental, Nina Marie Sibilatan. From Manila, Julian Concepcion. Ladies and gentlemen, from Laguna, Sofia Arcangel. Three queens waiting for that final moment that their names will be called as the Miss International Queen Philippines 2024 winner. Aleo Theater, are you ready? Malalaman na natin, eto na. Mukhang nininervyos na rin. Pati ang ating audience na nandito ngayon sa Aleo Theater.
But before anything else, nais lang po namin sabihin that our Miss International Queen Philippines 2024 will receive 1.5 million pesos worth of cash and prizes.
Ladies and gentlemen, our second runner-up to be awarded by Queen Barbie Alawi and Queen Kevin Balo. Our second runner-up is
our second runner-up is from Manila, Julian Concepcion.
Congratulations to our second runner-up. Ladies and gentlemen,
from Manila, Julian Concepcion.
mga kaibigan, dalawa na lang ang natitira at isa sa kanila ang hihirangin bilang Miss International Queen Philippines 2024. We are first going to be calling on our first runner-up. And our first runner-up will be presented by Mr. Tay Endencia, Miss Michelle Montecarlo, and Miss Alessa Mantusa.
And the Miss International Queen Philippines 2024 will be awarded by Miss International Queens Philippines 2023, Queen Lars Pacheco. Together with Queen Solange Decker and of course our National Director, Miss Michelle Montecarlo.
Ladies and gentlemen, two queens, one crown. Kanino mapupunta ang corona tonight? Parinig ang inyong mga pagbago!
Will it be Davao Oriental, Nina Marie Similatan?
Or will it be Laguna, Sofia Arcangel? Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, we are first going to be calling on our first runner-up.
Ibig sabihin, kapag hindi natawag ang pangalan mo, you will take home the crown.
That is right.
Okay? Ladies and gentlemen, our first runner-up is...
Congratulations. You have made all of us proud. Davao Oriental, Nina Marie Sibilatan.
Ibig sabihin, Miss Laguna, Sofia Arcangel is our Miss International Queen Philippines 2024.
this has been for our winner. Ladies and gentlemen, finally, we now have our newest Miss International Queen Philippines 2024. Give it up for Laguna, Sofia Argavel!
Again, our winner will receive 1.5 million pesos worth of cash and prizes. She will also be the representative of our country, the Philippines, in the upcoming Miss International Queen 2024.
That's right, the pageant will be held this coming June. Kaya naman, malapit-lapit na, we are asking and requesting for your full support for our new Philippine representative to the Miss International Queen Crown.
Sa Miss International Queen Philippines 2024. It has been my immense pleasure to be one of your hosts tonight.
Ladies and gentlemen, truly a beautiful, beautiful experience. Maraming salamat. It has been an absolute pleasure. And